Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to fast forward on TikTok. So open TikTok application on your device and then upload already filmed video, or if you want to you can record your video, but to make the process easier I will just upload already filmed video. And then on the right side you should find edit mode. So here it is, and then you want to tap on your video like this, and here at the bottom you see features. So what we need is speed, and here you see this white circle that you want to move to basically change the speed of your video. So it can be even up to 10 times. It could be like this, or you can select the curve and, for example, change the speed of your video using the curve. Like here you want your video to be a little faster, and here less faster. So it depends on how you want your video to be. And when you're done editing your video, tap this cross and go to this red button, and this is our fast forward video. So that's basically it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.